There is no easy way to film this. We are going to install the heater core. So I got the heater core. We're under the car, inside the cab. This is the box where it's going to sit. This is the opening. The fastener. Pipes go through the hole. Heater core slides up into place. Right? And this piece slides over the pipes and onto the stud. Like that. And of course it's not going to stay. I need a third arm. Not going to stay. Gotta get the nut. Maybe I can do it this time. Can you see where I'm at? Sort of. Just stay up there. Good enough. So here's the bracket and the nut. Sorry, it's blurry. It's focusing on that other piece. Right there. Bracket and the nut. And that holds your heater core in. Right? Now we'll put the box on. I think it's going to be easier to do this first. So here's the cable. It's the one with the little hook on it. There's a hole in the box. Gets fed in there. Right? And down inside is the little tab. So we're going to thread this through. Then there's this little clip. Little clip sits on there. I think it's hard to see. Got it. So the clip locks on like that. Now, what you can do is close it. And then this is going to pop into here at this angle, like that. But before we tighten this down, we want to check to make sure we got enough in and out. Wrong one. So that's fully closed toward the defroster. Yeah. Open for the floor. Close for defrost. Open for the floor. The wire's got a little spot right here in the corner where they come out. And then we need these clips. There's 4 of them. Shit. We'll switch sides. Need my light. Got it. Door works. And this thing routes around and goes to the valve assembly. Sorry. So this thing goes on here. I know that if I pull that screw all the way out, I'll never get it back in there again. Oh, let's do that. That's pretty smart. Got it. So we want to go all the way closed. Like this. Yeah. Crank this down, see what happens. Open, close. Open, close. Let me double check. Okay, so that's closed. That's open. Okay, so that's all installed.